If you're shopping for a new vehicle in 2026, one question matters more than horsepower, towing capacity, or fuel economy. Which engine is most likely to last 200,000 to 300,000 miles without major repairs? After years of recalls, turbocharger failures, timing chain issues, oil consumption complaints, and hybrid growing pains, several automakers have spent the last few years improving their powertrains. But not every updated engine is automatically more reliable. In this comparison, we'll look at the most important mainstream engines available for the 2026 model year. What changed, their known strengths and weaknesses, and which ones appear to be the safest long-term choices based on official updates, engineering improvements, and reliability trends. Toyota 2.5-liter Dynamic Force Hybrid, winner for overall reliability. Toyota's naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Dynamic Force engine continues to set the benchmark for reliability in 2026. Combined with Toyota's latest hybrid system, it powers vehicles like the Camry, RAV4, Crown, and several Lexus models. Unlike many competitors, Toyota avoided chasing maximum horsepower. Instead, engineers focused on lower internal friction, better cooling, stronger combustion efficiency, and proven hybrid components. Why it's so reliable? Proven naturally aspirated design, no complicated turbocharger, chain-driven valve train, excellent thermal efficiency, millions already on the road. Toyota has also refined software calibration and hybrid management over multiple production years, reducing stress on the gasoline engine. Consumer Reports continues to rank Toyota among the most reliable brands, while recent dependability studies also place Toyota near the top of the industry. Reliability rating 9.8 seconds. 2. Honda 2.0-liter hybrid system, best balance of simplicity and efficiency. Honda's two-motor hybrid system remains one of the smartest engineering solutions available. Unlike many traditional hybrids, the gasoline engine often acts as a generator, instead of directly driving the wheels, reducing mechanical wear. The naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine is extremely simple, avoiding high turbo boost pressures and excessive heat. Owners continue reporting excellent fuel economy together with low maintenance costs. Advantages: no turbocharger, excellent cooling design, proven hybrid hardware, low internal engine stress. Reliability rating 9.6/10. 3. GM 6.6L Duramax diesel, best heavy-duty diesel. For truck buyers, the Duramax remains one of the strongest options available. GM has continuously refined its 6.6-liter turbo diesel with stronger internal components, improved cooling, updated fuel injection, and transmission calibration. While modern emissions equipment inevitably adds complexity, the core engine itself has earned an excellent reputation among heavy-duty truck owners. Best for frequent towing, commercial work, high mileage, fleet use. Proper maintenance remains essential because diesel emission systems require regular operation under load. Reliability rating 9.4/10. Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8, best naturally aspirated V8. Ford's pushrod Godzilla V8 has become one of the most respected truck engines in America. Instead of relying on turbochargers or cylinder deactivation, the engine emphasizes simplicity. Its large displacement produces strong torque without forcing internal components to operate under high boost pressure. Ford has continued making small refinements rather than redesigning the engine completely. Simple pushrod architecture, cast iron block, excellent towing capability, fewer complex moving parts. For buyers planning to keep a truck for 15 years or longer, the Godzilla remains one of the safest choices. Reliability rating 9.3/10. 5. Toyota 3.4L Twin-Turbo iForce Max V6. Greatly improved but still young. Toyota's twin-turbo V6 experienced significant attention after early engine-related recalls affecting some Tundra models. Toyota responded with manufacturing corrections, inspections, and recall actions to address affected engines. While those issues understandably affected confidence, they were linked to specific production defects rather than the fundamental engine design. The engine now delivers outstanding torque, strong towing capability, excellent fuel efficiency for its size. Although reliability appears to be improving, it simply lacks the decades-long history of Toyota's naturally aspirated engines. Reliability rating 8.8/10. 6. Ford 3.5L EcoBoost V6, much better than earlier versions. Ford's EcoBoost family has evolved considerably. Earlier generations developed reputations for timing chain wear, carbon buildup, coolant leaks, and turbocharger problems. Successive updates have improved cooling systems, turbo durability, software calibration, fuel injection strategies. Today's EcoBoost engines are significantly better than early versions, although they still contain more components that can eventually require maintenance than naturally aspirated engines. Reliability rating 8.7 10.7. Hyundai SmartStream 2.5-liter. Hyundai's biggest reliability improvement. Following the well-known Theta engine problems from previous years, Hyundai invested heavily in redesigning its gasoline engine family. The SmartStream engine includes better oil control, improved cooling passages, revised piston design, updated engine management. These changes have dramatically improved long-term durability compared with older Hyundai engines, although the platform is still building a longer real-world track record. Reliability rating 8.6 out of 10. What makes an engine truly reliable? Horsepower rarely determines reliability. Instead, engineers look for several key characteristics: stable operating temperatures, conservative turbo boost or no turbo, strong lubrication system, durable timing components, low internal friction, proven manufacturing quality, consistent maintenance history. Naturally aspirated engines generally have fewer failure points than turbocharged engines because they avoid higher cylinder pressures and additional turbo hardware. Industry dependability studies also continue to show conventional gasoline vehicles outperforming hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and battery electric vehicles for long-term problem rates overall, although many hybrids from Toyota and Honda remain excellent performers. Final reliability ranking 1. Toyota 2.5L Dynamic Force Hybrid, best overall reliability with years of proven durability. 2. Honda 2.0L Hybrid, star, outstanding simplicity and long-term efficiency. 3. GM 6.6L Duramax Diesel, star, excellent for heavy-duty truck owners. 4. Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8, star, simple, durable, and built for long service life. Toyota 3.4L Twin-Turbo iForce Max, star, improving rapidly after production-related fixes. 6. Ford 3.5L EcoBoost, star, much improved, but still more mechanically complex. 7. Hyundai SmartStream 2.5L, star, a significant step forward after earlier engine generation issues. Bottom line, if your goal is maximum long-term reliability with minimal unexpected repair costs, Toyota's 2.5-liter Dynamic Force Hybrid remains the engine to beat in 2026. Its combination of conservative engineering, proven hybrid technology, and an extensive reliability record makes it the strongest all-around choice. GM's 6.6L Duramax and Ford's 7.3L Godzilla V8 stand out as the best options for buyers prioritizing durability under demanding use. Meanwhile, Honda's 2.0L Hybrid continues to impress with its elegant simplicity and excellent dependability, making it one of the smartest choices for everyday drivers seeking long-term peace of mind.